So hey guys, this is the very best app and useful app for you if you are using Mac, Android, Windows, ISO, no matter what. You can use your mobile phone, tablet, yeah, another PC, or also you can use your uh, Android phone as a second monitor from your MacBook or PC or anything else. So what you have to do, the app name called is Duet Display, and when you download this app, you have to download this app from you have to download this app on both devices you want to screen mirror or share your desktop to. So after downloading, open those both apps, or you can connect Windows app by wirelessly or by a USB Type C or another cable. So here you the overview of this app. So you can see you can use your MacBook to Android, MacBook to anything else. This is the app. Also you can control your extended monitor or extended device with your PC. Like here you can see you can remote access your tablet from your PC. Also you can mirror with the screen and extend desktop if you need a extra desktop temporarily. Also you can share multiple desktop to one to more keyboard or anything else. It could be the best and temporary monitor for you that you want. Also the you can use your Mac on your PC. So this could be the best app for you if you want to increase your productivity or anything else. You need anything, another desktop for a temporary time. Use your mobile screen as a temporary desktop of your PC or MacBook or anything else. Also you can control your mobile phone with your PC and MacBook. So hope you love the video, and will be the worthy for you. If you find it worthy, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this, guys.